Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the Ghoulgao effect. So this is for your horror scenes. If you want to create this effect, all you have to do is to go to Higgsfield.ai, scroll to the app section after signing in, then click on Ghoulgao effect, and you can see it describes it as a hyper-realistic digital art creation, features intricately detailed figure in ornamental attire standing on a city street with a striking red liquid flowing from his mouth as a cinematic AI video generator effect highlights the information. So all you have to do is to use this effect is to actually upload your image in this area, and then we can see this is specifically designed for horror. So once you upload your image, this is where how this is actually the image uploaded. You can upload your image, and this kind of effect will be applied to your image. So you remember, you can generate an image or you can choose to generate a video. It all depends on what you want. So, and this one would, the video generation would actually cost 4 and 15 credits, but to take about, once you click on the generate video, in about 15 to 20 minutes your video should be ready, and you can proceed to download it to your computer or your system for to be added to your project. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel.